And the bad case, and I think this is like important to say, is like lights out for all of us. I'm more worried about like an accidental misuse case in the short term, where someone gets a super powerful, like it's not like the AI wakes up and decides to be evil. And I think all of the sort of traditional AI safety thinkers reveal a lot about about themselves than they mean to when they talk about what they think the AGI is going to be like. But I can see the accidental misuse case clearly, and that's super bad.
Hello, and welcome to Science Maniatics. Isabel here as your Science Maniatics correspondent, and today we're going to be discussing the artificial intelligence chatbot, ChatGPT, and the thoughts of its creator, Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI. As many of you may know, ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can respond to natural language text inputs, and it has been making waves on the internet, generating both excitement and concerns. With any form of AI, it raises questions about its capabilities and how it could be misused. That's why in this video, we will explore the potential of AI and also the potential risks and challenges that come with it, as well as the importance of AI safety and alignment work. When it comes to the potential of AI, Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has a very optimistic view. During a recent interview, he was asked about the best-case scenario for AI, and he stated that it is so unbelievably good that it's hard for me to even imagine. He goes on to say that it could lead to an abundance of systems that can help us resolve deadlocks and improve all aspects of reality, allowing us to live our best lives. For example, AI could help us with tasks such as diagnosing diseases, managing traffic, and predicting natural disasters. It could also help us with more mundane tasks like scheduling appointments or ordering groceries, freeing up our time to focus on things that really matter to us. However, while the potential of AI is enormous, there are also potential risks and challenges that come with it. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for an accidental misuse of AI in the short term. During the interview, Altman expresses concern about this, stating that the bad case is like lights out for all of us. This highlights the importance of AI safety and alignment work. It's clear that artificial intelligence and chatbots like ChatGPT have the potential to revolutionize how we live and work. However, as with any new technology, we need to be aware of the potential risks and take steps to mitigate them. This is why Altman's call for more AI safety and alignment work is so important. AI safety and alignment work refers to the research and development of methods to ensure that AI systems are robust, safe, transparent, explainable, fair, non-discriminatory, and aligned with human values and long-term human interests. This is crucial as we continue to develop and advance in AI technology. Experts have raised concerns about ChatGPT being used for nefarious purposes such as scams, cyberattacks, spreading misinformation, and enabling plagiarism. However, Altman pushes back on the concern of plagiarism, stating that just as we adapted to calculators and changed what we tested for in math class, we will adapt to this technology as well. It is important to note that while we can adapt to the technology, it is still important to consider the potential consequences and take steps to ensure safety and alignment. So, what can we do to ensure that AI is safe and aligned with human values? One of the key steps is to ensure that AI systems are transparent and explainable. This means that the inner workings of the AI system should be understandable by humans, so that we can understand how and why the system is making certain decisions. Additionally, it is important to ensure that AI systems are fair and non-discriminatory, so that they do not perpetuate or exacerbate existing societal biases. Another key step is to ensure that AI systems are robust and safe. This means that the systems should be able to operate safely and effectively even in unforeseen circumstances, and that they should be able to recover from errors without causing harm. Furthermore, it is important to ensure that AI systems are aligned with long-term human interests, so that they do not lead to unintended consequences that could harm humanity in the long run. In conclusion, the potential of AI is enormous, and it has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. However, it is important to also consider the potential risks and challenges that come with it. As we wrap up this video, we want to thank you for watching and invite you to think about the following questions. What are your thoughts on the potential benefits and risks of AI like ChatGPT? How can we ensure that the potential benefits of AI are fully realized while minimizing the risks? What can you do to stay informed about the latest developments in AI safety and alignment research? How can you support organizations and individuals working on AI safety and alignment? In what ways do you think AI like ChatGPT could revolutionize how we live and work? With the military having advanced versions of this technology, are military-style Terminators really a threat or really just science fiction? Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it informative. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments section.